All right, highlight for today, iceberg. Talk about icebergs a lot. Most people don't have an accurate depiction and recognition of where they are. These green lines that highlighted, the brighter they are, the bigger the size. But what we're able to see are two things. We're able to see how much the guy is showing and how much he's done so far. And if they're showing a lot, they probably have a lot behind it. All right. They've been down in this 90-91 area the better part of an hour or so. And generally, they don't want to do it in this highlight video, but they're magnets. They pull the market down. And we rallied to 05 here in this S&P and still came all the way back. This has been one of the tougher efforts that the market has had to make to go back down to them. But I'd really be shocked if it doesn't trade 90, 91 at some point. The only thing would be if they pull it or if they start pushing it up and chasing price up. But they're magnets because a lot of people initially, I don't want to say see them, but when they're down there, they're leaning on them, and then they get long, and so many people get long because of them, which turn them into sellers, which create the pressure that brings the market back down to them. So the same reason why people got long is the reason why they go back down to that area. It's important when you look at this, if you're going to play it from the short side, which when icebergs are below the market, and they're magnets, it's bearish. You still got to pick good locations, and you got to pay for your trade if you're getting those good locations. You don't want to sell it and hold it because the times that it doesn't work, you get your face rearranged. So you have to make sure you're still always looking for good locations that you may be selling on the way up, looking for that pullback to the downside, or trying to sell it, looking for this, getting some money into the trade before you're completely paid. Then what's interesting is the reaction to the iceberg when and if it gets down there. Does it get right through it and then it's pretty weak? Does it fill it and come right back above it? Then it's pretty bullish. So not many platforms show icebergs, or at least show them accurately. And then when they show it, they might say, hey, this price has traded more than meets the eye, but that's just refreshing. It doesn't necessarily mean an iceberg. Whereas this, we're following order numbers, and we know that it's one particular order and that he's actually showing a certain amount. Well, what's really great about that is showing a certain amount, and if it's a high amount, there's been a lot more behind it. So you could actually gauge on what size it is. So watch this 90-91, especially if you're watching this video in the future. Go back on July 16th, which is a Thursday, and take a look. Stay safe and subscribe.